Whenever I'm at home, I prefer eating on the bare floor to eating on the dining table. Guys, I don't know if you found it weird. If you're on the same table like me, let me know in the comment section. Anyway guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lizzy. If you are new to this channel, you're definitely welcome. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and join this family. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. You guys, in today's video, it's going to be just a mini vlog. This is the current look of my living room right now. I'll be taking you guys along as I go get my 7-seater sofa. You guys, I'm so excited. I'll be taking you guys along. I'll also be telling you some things that you need to know before buying a seat in Nigeria, you guys. So let's just dive right into the video. You guys, don't mind the road. You know, Nigerian roads, they can be very rugged. See, I'm jumping up and down in this keke. Anyway guys, so first of all, let's go get some pipe for my sumo. I needed to connect something in my sumo, and the plumber said I should get a 2-inch pipe connector. So I am here now to get it. After then, I went to get an audio shelf for my audio appliances. So you guys, if you spotted before, I was using my the pack to my television set to put my DSTV decoder. So but today I want to get an audio shelf for that. So that's why I'm here.
Guys, it's a weekend. As many people want to make withdrawals this weekend. I guess that's the reason why there were so many queues at the bank. So you guys, a brief stopover so that we can make some withdrawal. And yeah, we are headed to get our seats. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm so excited because finally our seat is back. And you guys, see the excitement that comes with it. And that's basically it actually. We can spot that access bank over there at the back. That's where we want to make some withdrawal.
The seats came with a center table and also 4 side stools. Well designed, and I love the colors. I know some people order seats online, but I decided to get these ones from my carpenter because he does a very neat job and a very good job, and I trust the quality of the materials he will be using. So that's why I didn't really bother ordering my seat online. And because of the fact that he stays not far from where I live, so I decided to patronize him. You guys, he did a very good and wonderful job. I really love the seats. And here we are. We paid for the seats and then paid for people that are going to take it home for us. So that's what we came here to actually do. We paid them and gave them the address for them to deliver at home. Few hours later they arrived, and look at seats. Let's see, finally my seats are here. Like you guys, I'm so happy because prior to this time we're using plastic seats, but to the glory of God, we have a new seat here, you guys. But one thing, we had a problem bringing the seats up because the staircase is very tight, so we had a problem bringing it up. And again, the doors are relatively smaller than the seats. The seats are big, you guys. One mistake we made in buying these seats was that the carpenter supposed to have come here to measure the door. You know, if you measure the door, then you know the inches or whatever, how you construct the seat so that it will be able to enter, you know, to pass through the door. It was really an issue struggling to bring in the seats and then making sure that the cover didn't tear. They managed to bring in the two one-seater so far, but the other ones refused to enter, you guys. So the man told us to keep them outside. He'll come back tomorrow and then dismantle them and bring them inside again so he can fix them back again, like all over. That was one mistake. If you're buying seats, make sure the parts come in pieces so that you can reassemble them. If not, get the carpenter to measure out your window or your door, wherever place you want to bring the seats in from. Otherwise, have it at the back of your mind that your seats might tear in the process of struggling to bring them inside. Again, you guys, is the size of the seats. Many things can influence. If you want a moderate size, if you want a smaller size or a bigger one, it all depends on your pocket. Like this size, you guys, this design is actually affordable right now in Nigeria. Just know that you spend something like around 300k in Nigerian currency. That's 300,000 naira. Then again is the color and the material. Some go for cloth material, some go for leather. I opted for leather because it will be very easy for me to maintain, and also the choice of this color. I really love the color. It's very dusty out here like all year round, even though it rains, but they didn't tar the roads here. The roads are not really tarred, so it tends to bring in so many dust into your house. So every day, you guys, is cleaning. If you don't clean your house like thoroughly every day, hey, here is your case. So anyway, you guys, that's that for that. Within 2-3 hours, these guys were able to fix everything back, and they were literally good as new. I only used water and towel, to no detergent, you guys, to clean out the dirt from the seat. Okay, the final look of the seats and the arrangements. I just want to arrange it like this right now. I'll give you guys an update as I'll be giving this my living room another look altogether as time progresses, but I'll give you guys an update. Something like a living room tour. You get that? Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate you. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Keep staying safe. Remember, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, and give your opinion in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my seats. Till next time, bye.